What's up, y'all? CJ Moto here. Hope y'all are having a good weekend, having a beautiful weekend. Probably going to try to get a little racing in, but I'm also going to do some fishing. So here we be. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes you just need a break from RC. You know, it gets stressful running that YouTube channel. You just got to get out in nature and just see if you can catch yourself any largemouth bass. All right, look at her. Mwah. Caught her on a little fake salamander. Let's have a closer look at what we got here. Look at that little beauty. That's like a 10th scale buggy or something right there. Let's throw it back. Got another one. Look at that. That's an 8th scale buggy right there. Look at that beauty. CJ Moto don't play. I just had to get warmed up, folks. Just had to get warmed up. There he goes.